Morning, it's Friday before the weekend of Beast from the East 2, apparently. Uh, I'm off to see a client at about 12 o'clock for lunch, which will be nice, but I'm grabbing half an hour, maybe three-quarters of an hour now, just to get our potato bed ready, or one of our potato beds ready, for sowing in a week or so's time after this next cold snap has gone. So this is where we're going to be having some of our potatoes this year. It's a raised bed, as you can see. There's still some parsnips in there, and there's over there's some beetroots, and there's some spring onions. Going to leave those spring onions in, but I'm going to take everything else out, and then I'm going to put some horse manure on top. So I'm just going to set the camera up and let it roll. I've just noticed that there's an Aquilegia in here, so the first thing I'm going to do is take that out and put it into a little pot. Okay, so this is the raised bed for one set of potatoes. I think we're going to put Aaron in here. The bed is about, I think it's about 45 centimeters high, because we did that for carrot fly, because parsnips, as you saw, and carrots were in here last year. I've topped it up. I've just sprigged the soil underneath here, just scraped the top of the soil, and then put this compost on top. So let's just have a look at the compost. So this is well rotted horse manure compost. It's 2 years old. It was 2 years old when it came to us a few months ago. It's really pliable. It smells rather sweet and great, and hope that this is going to do the potatoes well. What we're going to do is plant through this into the layer below, and then we'll add more compost on top as the potatoes grow. Okay, so that's it for today. I'm about to go home. I've had about maybe three-quarters of an hour down here and sorted out that bed. Little and often is what they say. So really glad I've done that job today. There's plenty of other jobs to do. Obviously at this time of year, quite a lot of clearing to do and potting on of other plants and things. But anyway, I'm going to leave that now, go home, have a shower, and go and see my client at noon. Okay, bye.